Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support that really stands out to me is this former area of resistance right here at 22.75. So that was the breakout point, which this afternoon, when it was finally broken, really sprung the price up very, very nicely. Now, of course, there was some, plenty of headlines for this one today, but nonetheless, this is going to be a very watched level going forward. And I bring up the point about it being very watched because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's what we have going on here with 22.75. So myself, and I'm sure plenty of others are going to be watching that level wondering, if the price does go back down there, is it going to hold as support, or is that going to be some sort of maybe shorting opportunity where the price breaks to the downside? If the price does break to the downside, next key overall level of support after that point would be down around the $20.50 mark. Not that I'm saying it's going to drop straight down there. My point is that from an overall chart perspective, there's definitely some room between those areas of support. On the flip side of things, what about levels of resistance? Well, in my mind, there's two main areas that stand out. The one level is definitely the fun one to talk about. The fun one being just the highs from today. And it is fun. It's fun to talk about going to previous highs, breaking new highs, and that's what 26.55 represents. But usually, in many cases, as is the case here, there's an initial level that first needs to be cleared. And in this situation, that first key level that'll need to be cleared as resistance right up there at the $25 mark. So again, 26.55 up there, totally a level of resistance. But before I really put any focus or attention on that, let's see if the price can first prove itself in the near term. And once again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as getting up above and staying above that $25 mark. But crazy movement today, crazy afternoon. Let's see how this one plays out tomorrow. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.